What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Kaspa. Guys, I told you guys Kaspa was going to $10 this season. A lot of people call me crazy. Some people say I was very over bullish. Others say, oh, I'm saying that because I am a Kaspa Maxi, because 90% of my portfolio is Kaspa. People said that. But what is happening lately? What are you looking at right now? Go anywhere. Ever since Marathon Digital talked that said they were mining Kaspa, listen to all these YouTubers. Everybody now wants to get on my $10 Kaspa bus. That is what we're about to talk about today. But anyways, before we do that, let's check on the price on how the market is doing, particularly on the three coins that we are trading in this my millionaire journey. Okay, the three coins which are number 1, King Kaspa, number 2, Jasmine, and number 3, Quant. Those of you Quant unbelievers, your day is coming. Your day of how do you say, reckoning, or your day of saying I was sorry, I was wrong. That day is coming, and it's very, very soon. Okay, but anyways, let's go straight into the crypto bubbles. Then I will show you what the price is doing on my trading view. And every time, as always, excuse me. And as always, I will show you my trades. We will see how the trades are doing. How my Quant, particularly, how my Quant is doing. Okay, now let's go and see what the crypto bubbles are saying today. Crypto bubbles. Right there. Okay, for the past hour, the crypto bubble, you can look at it. The market is kind of red for the past hour. But look at here. What do we have here? Look at this. Quant is green. Quant is green today, guys. Quant is green. Okay, like I'm saying, like a lot of people don't believe this coin. Some people regret buying it, and there's a bunch of mixed opinions out there. But I'm telling you guys, Quant is about to run. But anyways, let's go straight first to our first coin, Kaspa, KAS. As you can see, on the last hour, Kaspa is down 0.6%. On the daily, we are down 1.6%, which is normal. It's taking a breather after a big jump that we just saw, because Kaspa went past all-time high. So it's normal. Some people are taking profits. You know, those that don't believe Kaspa will go higher, that's okay. There are some swing traders who are also taking profits, but everybody has their price. I'm not going to take on my short-term trades. I'm not going to take profits yet, because I know this is just the start of something bigger. Anyways, let's go straight to the next coin. Next coin is going to be Jasmine, JAS, Jasmine coin. As you can see, again, price is down 0.5% by the hour and 3.8% on the day. Okay, now we better look at the last but not the least, Quant, QNT. On Quant, we have here, drum roll, price is up 1% by the hour and 0.1% on the day. Like I said, Quant has bottomed out. Quant is about to take off. Okay, a lot of people don't see that. So the overall crypto market right now is kind of, on the last hourly, it's been a lot of mixed feelings. But if you go on the daily, you can also see it. Everything is going, like, because Bitcoin has not decided yet what it wants to do. That's why you see all this red. So as soon as Bitcoin decide what it wants to do, and another thing, keep an eye on the Bitcoin's dominance, because the dominance is kind of dropping. We're in a very, very crucial point right now for the Bitcoin dominance, which, like I said, everything is lining up for the altcoin market to start pumping. So Bitcoin dominance goes down, you about to see all these altcoins coming, you know, shooting up. And on top of that, don't forget about the Ethereum ETF. that is going to start trading in July, this month of July. I don't know the exact day, probably the first week or something. You're about to see altcoin market rally too. Okay, so that is something that I am looking forward to, because like I told you guys, all those are also positive signs for Kaspa, for Quant, and for Jasmine. Okay, now first of all, let's go into the trading view. I want to show you what the price is doing. Okay, trading view right there. This is Kaspa on the 1 hour. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Those lines, those of you who's been following my channel, you know I've been having those lines traced out for the longest, because I've been preaching this thing every day, telling you guys that Kaspa is about to run. And congratulations, okay, congratulations to those of you who are putting in those trades, because you are right now sitting either on the spot or on the leverage. You are sitting on some good extra money, some gains, like some profits. Like I said, inverse head and shoulder. Go back on my videos and you will check it. Inverse head and shoulder, it broke out. Okay, we got to the target at 17 cents. Kaspa broke out as usually shoot up and then come back again, just exactly what it did. So it broke above the 17 cents. Okay, let me bring my arrow out. We broke above the 17, shoot all the way up, and always comes back to retest. When it retests that resistance, now turn it into support, we shoot up again. Now what I'm looking at right here is some kind of consolidation. Okay, it looks like it's consolidating, because Kaspa right here, you see what it's doing? It's respecting my line of support. It's respecting it, and it looks like we're about to take off. Once this KRC20, once Kasplex get the Kasplex smart contract release by the 30th of June, which is 2 or 3 days now, you're about to see this thing higher, like skyrocket higher, because transactions on Kaspa, for those of you who don't know, okay, let me explain. For those of you who don't know, for you to be able to buy this meme coin, DeFi coins, stable coins, or whatever you're about to do on the Kaspa chain, you are going to need to purchase Kaspa, because the fees on these Kaspa smart contracts are going to be paying. You are going to use Kaspa to pay those fees. You see where I'm going? So this thing is about to bust. For me, I think we are going to reach 25 cents first. Once this project start piling up, this thing is going to go to 30 cents. 30 cents, you're about to see the migration complete. Once the migration completes, you're about to see Kaspa run up to 40, 45 cents. And then you have one of these tier 1 exchanges is about to list Kaspa. Trust me, this thing is about to run. And once one of these exchanges lists Kaspa, we're about to see Kaspa go to 60 cents or even $1, quicker than you can even blink. So yeah, I will show you my trades. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for my long-term trades. I don't have to worry about it, because on my long-term, I know Kaspa is going to $10 or close to it this season. But on my short-term trades, yeah, I do have my take profits, and which I reevaluate the market to see if I want to take profits to scale up some other trades or do anything else I need to do. You know, we got bills to be paid, unfortunately. But anyways, that is all about Kaspa. Now let's go into the next coin, which is Jasmine. I'm taking my trading view right quick. Trading view, we're gonna search Jasmine, JASMY. I like the Binance. There you go, Jasmine. Right now on the hourly, we are suffering from a little bearish movement on the hourly. Still, I'm not bearish on Jasmine, because like I said, guys, Jasmine, you got to zoom out on the weekly, and you will know that Jasmine is about to take off too. Everything that is happening here is part of the plan. The problem here is that on the 1 hour, we are below the ribbon, and the ribbon, it looks like we're about to, from a W, probably Jasmine might come down to 2.90, then bounce back to retest above the ribbon, and then gotta fight that 200 moving average. Like you see, Jasmine tried to break out the moving average. Okay, Jasmine tried that, but it got rejected. Look at it right here. It tried to break above where we're going. It got rejected, came back again. Now we have two big resistances, which is the ribbon and the moving average. Let's go to the 4 hours right quick. Maybe you see it better right there. Those of you who's been with me, you know I told you we have this here important line of resistance at 3.3, 3.2 cents. Like you can see right here. But now we have three big resistances Jasmine needs to break. But the good thing about it, you see higher lows. We are forming higher lows, higher lows. So once we break above the ribbon, above the 200 moving average, we are going to retest that important resistance right here at 3.3, 3.4, depends on how you draw your lines. So that right there, we can even put it a line. Let's say we can put a trade line right here like this. See, Jasmine is forming a higher low, higher lows and higher lows. That's what's happening right here. Let me take you on the daily. I want to draw it all complete. There you go. See, if you do this and draw the resistance, there you go. We are forming that triangle, and that triangle, let me go back on the 4 hour. See, sooner or later it's about to break. So Jasmine will decide if it wants to go up or down. I will bet to the up. I will bet to the upwards. That's where Jasmine is going. Because if you go on the weekly, okay, look at this on the week. I've been telling you guys, this thing is forming, is a continuation of the bull flag. Okay, look at this. Let's go right quick. This major bull flag that we broke, it broke out. Okay, now we're taking a breather. Like again, the measurement of this, the measurement target for this bull flag that broke out is at 9 or 10 cents. 9 or 10 cents. But before we get there, we have this major resistance right here. Some say it's 4 cents. I think it's between 3.8 to 4 cents, thereabout. After that, we have the 5 cents. After 5 cents, there is no resistance. Guys, there is no resistance until 12 cents. The resistance at 12 cents is not that hard. I think it will be easily broken. And the next after that, the resistance is at 20 cents. Okay, I can tell you that like by, if I zoom in, this is on the weekly. Look at this. This is the entire Jasmine chart. As you can see, the trading areas that had resistances are there. First one has been broken at 2.3. Next one is here at 3.84 cents. Do we have somewhere around here 5 cents, there about 5 or 6, but it's not that much. But I think it will break it very easily. And after that is blue skies until 20 cents. So guys, again, this is the time you need to start your positions. I've always said it. When everybody's afraid, that is when I always go in. When everybody's going to the right, I usually go to the left. I take the risk. Taking the risk will make you make most money, the most amount of money in this market. And that's what we do here. This is my millionaire journey. Those of you who are following me into this journey, I can guarantee you that at the end of this run, you are going to be happier than a lot of people in this market. Okay, you are going to be happier. Because I've been telling you guys, do this, and do that. And when I tell you that, it's because that is what I'm doing. It's not financial advice. Everything comes with a risk. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to do it or not. But so far, all the coins that we are following on this run, the coins that we are trading on leverage, on spot, or even mining, they are all done exactly how I predicted. Maybe I'm just lucky. I don't know. But one thing is that sentiments you see around the world, see things that happen around the world, okay, it don't always lie. Like for example, the next coin we're about to talk about, Quant. A lot of people thought I was crazy when I told you guys it's time to get into Quant. On the comments, I see so many guys being bearish. But guys, I'm telling you, somebody is suppressing the price of Quant. If you look around, look at everything happening. The 10 most powerful banks in the world, they are using Mbridge. What's Mbridge? That's Quant project. 10 most powerful banks in the world are using mBridge, and for them to use that technology, they need to purchase Quant. Now, if you look online, Quant, they've been, excuse me. If you look online, look at on-chain activities. People are buying Quant. Like, that's why I'm saying it. If you look at exchanges, because like OTC Quant is what they're purchasing from, but the OTC Quant is running out. Now you only have 2% of Quant in exchanges right now. Only 2%, or I think it was 1.8% in exchanges. That is what is left. So very soon there is about to be a supply shock. Okay, because very soon, as you can see, Quant has started advertising their overledger technology. We are having this July and August, the projects of Roslyn is coming live. Approval of stable coins is going, the policies is going to be approved in the United States, in the United Kingdom, South Korea, China, whatever you call it. They are about to start approving stable coins. And guys, I will say it again, this is what will lead to banks start telling you, like, you know, we can store your crypto for you. Your meme coin, your stable coins, your shit coins, your fucked up Solana, whatever you want to call them, they are all be stored in banks. And the only way banks can store crypto is by using the Quant over ledger. And for them to use the Quant over ledger, they are going to need to buy Quant. Guys, this thing is about to blow. But anyways, let's go to my trading view right quick, because a lot of you, and I will show you my trade. That's why I'm laughing right now. That's why I am laughing. So let's go to my trading view right quick. Okay, and now let me switch to Quant. Okay, Quant QNT. Okay, let's take the Binance. Yesterday, like I said, this chart, I will say it again, this chart is forming a bigger W, and it looks like we've started the leg up for that W. A lot of guys were so afraid. But first of all, let's go into the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, here we go. You guys know I've had this line here as line of support. Like I told you guys, somebody is manipulating the price, but it looks like they are running out of funds to push the price lower. Like yesterday, okay, day before yesterday, we broke out of the triangle, everything was going normally, then we got rejected by the moving average. Okay, came all the way down, retest the triangle, broke below the line. But as you can see, what the bulls do, people step in when it goes to that particular price of 73.74. below that, people start buying it like crazy. Look at how quick it got bought up. Look at how quick Quant got bought up. Let me zoom in a little bit. As you can see, look at it right now. It's doing the same thing again, guys. Look, you've got to pay attention. Look at the ribbon. You see how the ribbon is curving? Quant is going higher. See that? We broke above that that support again. So we broke above it, went and retest. We did retest the moving average, got rejected, and now Quant is going again on the hourly. Okay, I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to go. So by looking at it, I think it's going to form an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, what I mean by that is we're going to see. Let me pull out my brush right quick. My brush right quick is somewhere here. Now I think Quant is going to do this. First, we are going to go here, form that shoulder, come down, do this, form the second shoulder, and retest that. So once we retest that line, that is it. That's what Quant is about to do. You guys are about to see it, and it's just a matter of time. You tell guys, like, this thing is getting ready to run. Okay, it's getting ready to run. You look at it on the 4 hourly. Okay, look on the 4 hour. See, the same thing is happening. We went down, it got sent right back up on the support. Now we are testing the ribbon. Look at the ribbon. The ribbon is curving just like it was curving here. It is curving right now, which means Quant is about to go up. we need to be like, once it beats the ribbon, it will turn the ribbon into a support, and quant will be up there around $84, $85 thereabout. Once quant gets there, turn that into support, the next resistance is going to be at that $90. After that, we have the major resistance at 104. At 104, quant needs to break that. Once it breaks it, the next resistance, like I'm always saying, is going to be 120. After 120, we do have 130. After 130, we do have 150. When it breaks 150, guys, this thing is going straight to $200. That's the whole thing right here. So everybody telling you different, and I'm telling you guys, it is not going lower. Pay attention to everything going on to quant. Quant is not going lower. Okay, so it is up to you. It is up to you to decide what you want to do. Me, I already have my positions. I'm in. I'm gonna show you my trades right now. Okay, but before I do that, guys, I do not condone leverage trading. Okay, if you don't know what you're doing, please do not leverage trade. But if you do, or you're confident enough, below, okay, I do have my Phemex and my Bydfi accounts. You know, you can always take that money, sign up, take that money, okay, open a trade, then take the profit, take your initial money out and use the house money to trade. That's exactly how I started. As a matter of fact, right now I don't even put my money anymore. I just trade things like Ondo Finance or Terra Luna Classic, trade them, make the money to scale up the positions that are important to me, my Kaspa, my Jasmine, my quant. That's how I do it. But anyways, let's go straight first into my long term. Let's go straight into my Bydfi. Bydfi, there we go. Let's head here. Bydfi. Those of you who remember when I started just a couple weeks ago, my trade was down. My overall, guys, my overall was way down to like was it 18 or something. Now today, just a week later, we are 27,100. So it has started to grow. Okay, it has started to go up. So let's look at my contracts. Drum roll. Yesterday, what happened to quant? My quant was down, I think 1% or something like that yesterday, and I told you guys this thing is about to bounce. So if you look right now, my quant is sitting at 14%, which is worth almost $700. Okay, guys, this thing is about to run. I am targeting all those points. Like for example, look at this. By the time we get to that major resistance, $104, okay, this position will make me $6,500. That's what it would do. A lot of you are asking how. I told you guys, I trade Ondo Finance to use that for fees. If you remember yesterday, my Ondo Finance, I had almost $700 to $1,000 in profits. Okay, what I did, look at here, I took profit from there and I scaled here up. I scaled my quant up. When it was dipping, I scaled it up. If you remember, my position was around 4,100, something like that. So I scaled it up to 4,775. Okay, now I'm still trading under because I didn't close the trade completely. All I did is take some profits out of it. Okay, I'm still targeting 1.5. I mean $1.50, which it will make me another $1,000 or something, and I'll use it for something else. Now looking at my Jasmine is down to 49%. Not worries about it. Market is doing its thing. 49%, almost $2,000. And then too, my Kaspa is down 74%, which is $6,100. Not worried about those. Like I'm always saying, guys, this thing here, like I'm always saying, those trades are my long-term trades. I am going to keep them open until the top of the bull run, or as close as possible to the top of the bull run. Because guys, when I close them, you guys will be with me and I will show you these things are going to make me a lot of money. So I'm taking the risk. Everybody's running away from quant, but I'm scaling up. As you can see, my quant is up almost $700 right now. You're about to see. You're about to see. So let's go to my short-term trades on my Phemex. Let's go to Phemex right quick. There you go. I need to sign in. Phemex, as you can see, again, those trades, those of you who remember, it went down to almost 5,000 something, almost 5,003, 5,005, I don't remember. But as you can see right now, I am up 7,500, which means it is coming. Looking at my contracts, Jasmine is the one still lagging behind, okay, at 17%, which is $150. Not bad. I'm still happy with it. It's okay. It's going to run. Kaspa is the one that is doing extremely good at 28%, okay, which is $1,400. Guys, like I said, you do not want to get left behind. You do not want to get left behind. Now that everybody's afraid of the market being red, this is the time you are supposed to get your positions in, because very soon these things are going to start running, and once they start running, you will be glad you did. Not financial advice. I'm only telling you what I'm doing, and with receipts like I just showed you. I show you what I'm doing, and when it starts to run, we will be here. Round two, money. You know, like I always say, if you know, you know. Excuse me right quick. Let me take another sip of my Kaspa mug, my Kaspa Maxi mug. Like I always say, guys, you guys got to know. If you know, you know. But now let's go straight to the topic of today. I was the first YouTuber, the first somebody in this space, the first in this space to tell you guys that Kaspa is going to $10. Okay, I was the first, if not the only one, guys, the only one in this space that kept you guys, you got to pack your Kaspa. That kept telling you guys, you need to pack your Kaspa bags. You need to have your short and long-term Kaspa bags, because Kaspa, this run, is going to $10. And the next run, we're probably going to be looking at anything between $50 to $100 Kaspa. You need to pack your bags. A lot of you call me crazy. A lot of people that that see this, that see my videos, a lot of people commented I was crazy. Some people DM me saying, nah, it's not possible, bro. It's too early. And I kept telling you guys, Kaspa is different. The times are different. When Ethereum, Bitcoin came out, nobody knew about cryptocurrencies. Now, everybody and their grandmama know what crypto is. And on top of that, Kaspa solves the trilemma of this crypto world. So, if you compare Kaspa with Ethereum, Kaspa is 1,000,000 times better than Ethereum. I've always said it too. I think Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. But because Bitcoin was first in the space, that's why it has all this hype. But as time goes by, Kaspa is going to take over. Guys, Kaspa is going to take over. And a lot of people don't see it. We have all this Kaspa Bitcoin maxi that think everything is better. They think Bitcoin is better than everything. And I keep saying it. No way. Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. And now what do you see lately? Everybody is like blowing their horn. Oh, Kaspa to $10, Kaspa to $25. Oh, get you 50,000 Kaspas and all that stuff. And I'm telling guys, listen, easily get you at least 10,000 Kaspa. You can thank me later. Just get 10,000 Kaspa. You can thank me later, because people are beginning to look at it now. Marathon Digital came out. Now that Marathon Digital came out, that's when they're beginning to realize, oh crap, something is going on here. Because Marathon Digital was only mining Bitcoin, nothing else, no Ethereum, nothing, just Bitcoin. Now they came out and they're like, they support Bitcoin. Even look at this, check this out. The biggest Bitcoin bull ever, Michael Saylor, now puts Kaspa side by side with Bitcoin. Does that tell you something? It is happening slowly. And again, let's look at the numbers right quick, because I'm telling you guys, numbers don't lie. Let's go to the website. Let's go to the website. Where is it? Here. We have the website right quick. I'm going to refresh. See, market cap 4.2. 4.2 is the market cap. A couple of days ago, it went down to 3.6, 3.7, and I was telling you guys, just like that, as simple as that, this thing was going to take off. As you can see, we are now up $4.28 billion in the market cap. So let's go to what I want to show you more is down here, addresses holding more than 10,000 Kaspa. Guys, you remember we were sitting at it at 90 something thousand? Now look at that, 100,000 addresses holding more than 10,000 Kaspa. This is what I'm telling you guys, you're about to miss the biggest life opportunity in this crypto world. That's what you're about to miss. All you need is just 10,000 Kaspas. Okay, now let's go a little bit down here. This is what everybody's waiting for. We only got 6% left. 6%, which any day now, guys, any day now, this thing will be 100% rust. Any day it will go. So now when you look at something like this, and then you go looking at the hash rate, like I always tell you guys, these things play tag. See, look at that, the price is shooting, hash rate is about to follow. Once it catches up, hash rate will go higher, and then price will tag along again. So these things happen, and this is what is driving the innovation. Okay, so let me go right back here for a second. That is what's happening right now, guys. People who did not believe that this could happen have started to jump the boat. They have started to jump the boat. Now you see them talking about Kaspa to $10, when people just a month and a half ago, or even some weeks ago, they thought I was crazy. People saying top 5. Guys, I think Kaspa will overtake Ethereum faster than you can even say your last name. That is where we're going. That's why me, it's not financial advice, but me, I'm buying Kaspa on spot. I'm leverage trading it. Okay, I am even mining it. I am mining Kaspa. That being said, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, jump into my $10 Kaspa. Jump into my $10 Kaspa bus. Okay, please subscribe, share, turn your notifications on, and please be safe out there. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.